Make it bigger? That's actually not a bad idea. Let's give it a try. In 3, 2, 1, abracadabra. Say hello to the bigger 1911, our bigger design. It comes with a mag, slide release, and shells to eject. You just slide the shells into the mag, put the mag in the gun, and then fire away. You can even fire without the mag to entertain yourself, which makes it more enjoyable. So, if you want to cure your boredom, this toy gun is right for you.